In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use DaVinci Resolve's dynamic zoom. I have two pictures here from unsplash.com. I'll provide the link in the description section. So first of all, let's bring in this picture. If you play this, because this is just a picture that goes on for 6 seconds, it's nothing's going on. It's kind of boring. The picture's not boring, but there's no action, there's no animation. So to increase the interest in this imagery, we can add zoom and also panning. Over to the right side is the inspector. If you don't see the inspector, it's because it's hidden. You have to click the inspector up here to reveal it. Okay, and let's go over here and activate the dynamic zoom. Let's play it, and it looks like it's going away from us. It's zooming out from us. So that's the default. As you notice here, because the original picture is not 16 by 9, which is this resolution over here, my frame, we have to zoom in to fill up the black spaces on the sides. So let's go here to the zoom, which is under transform, and just drag this to the right until we fill up all the black bars on the side. Okay, so now let's play that again. So it's zooming out, yet we never see the black bars because we are zoomed in enough to hide it. So the reason why DaVinci Resolve added this dynamic zoom is to make it easier to add zoom and pan to your shots. Otherwise, you'd have to use the normal way of doing it, which is adding keyframes, and that's a little bit more clunky. If we go over here, we can change the view to show the dynamic zoom frames. So what's happening is the green box, the green rectangular box, is when it starts. And the red box, if you can see the red outline here, is when it ends. We went from a smaller view, zoomed in, and ended up with a larger view, zoomed out. So that's how that works. If you don't change the position of these boxes, it's simply a zoom out. Next, let's double click the dynamic zoom over here to bring this up. Now we can see this button here, swap. That means interchanging the green and the red boxes. So we swap them. Let's click that, and guess what will happen? We're going to zoom in now. Go back to the transform. So now we're zooming in because we swapped those boxes. It starts out from afar and comes in. So that's how easy it is to change the zoom in and zoom out. Now this control here, dynamic zoom ease, linear, ease in, ease out, ease in and out, this controls how fast the zoom works. If it's linear, it means it's changing. It's zooming in at a constant rate. It's not accelerating, it's not decelerating. Okay, and if we go ease in, it slowly starts and then accelerates quicker. And of course, ease out is the opposite way. It starts off quicker and then it slows down. And ease in and out means it will start off slow and in the middle start accelerating and then start slowing down again. These are really minute changes, and I normally just keep it at linear. Next, let's add a panning effect. Let's activate the dynamic zoom view. Okay, right now the green box is selected, and to select the red, it's kind of tricky. If you click here, it's still on the green box. But if you click here, it's still on the green box. But you have to select one of the points of the red box, right here, one of the corners. Now the red box is selected, and then we add the panning element by dragging this left, right, up or down. Let's drag it to the left. So we're zooming in on them and the sky and also part of the trees over there. And finally, let's add the default transition. Highlight both of these. Let's do Control T to apply the transition, default transition. Alright, so we've added dynamic zoom, added some panning to it, and also transitions. Let's play this from the beginning at full screen. Control F to get to full screen and play. So this looks much more captivating than just still pictures or a still video. This also works if you have a still video, meaning a video capture of something that's not moving. Okay, so that's it.